Hey there! English grammar can be tricky, and even fluent speakers make common mistakes. But don't worry, once you recognize them, they're easy to fix. Today, we'll go over 10 of the most common grammar mistakes and how to correct them. Let's get started. Many people confuse these, but the difference is simple. Your shows ownership. For example, is this your book? Means the book belongs to you. Your is short for you are. If I say, you're my best friend, I mean you are my best friend. A quick trick? Try replacing it with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, use your. If not, use your. These three words sound the same but have different meanings. There refers to a place. The keys are over there. There shows possession. This is their house. There is short for they are. They're going to the store. If you're unsure, replace it with they are. If it works, use there. If not, choose there or there. This one confuses many people because possessives usually have an apostrophe, but not its. Its means it is. It's a sunny day. Its shows possession. The dog wagged its tail. A simple test, replace it with it is. If it works, use its. If not, drop the apostrophe. Apostrophes do not make words plural. Wrong. Apples are delicious. Correct? Apples are delicious. However, use apostrophes for possession. Singular. This is my friend's car. One friend. Plural. This is my friend's car. More than one friend. A singular subject needs a singular verb, and a plural subject needs a plural verb. Wrong. She go to school every day. Correct. She goes to school every day. If we change she to they, the verb changes too. They go to school every day. A simple rule: if the subject is singular, the verb usually ends ins. Many people say, me and John went to the park, but that's incorrect. The correct sentence is, John and I went to the park. A quick trick? Remove John from the sentence. Would you say, me went to the park? No, it's, I went to the park. That's how you know I is correct. Using two negatives cancels out the meaning. Wrong. I don't know nothing. Correct? I don't know anything. Wrong. She didn't see nobody. Correct? She didn't see anybody. If there's already a negative word like don't or didn't, avoid adding another. English questions follow a specific order. Wrong. You are coming tomorrow. Correct. Are you coming tomorrow? Another example. Wrong. She can go. Correct. Can she go? A tip. Most questions start with words like are, can, do, or did. If your sentence sounds wrong, try flipping the order. Many struggle with this, but here's an easy trick. If you can replace it with he or she, use who. If you can replace it with him or her, use whom. Example, who called you? He called me. Who is correct? Whom did you call? I called him. Whom is correct? A run-on sentence happens when two complete thoughts are joined incorrectly. Wrong. I love pizza. It's my favorite food. You can fix it by, first example, splitting into two sentences. I love pizza. It's my favorite food. Second example, adding a linking word. I love pizza and it's my favorite food. Both are correct. And that's it. These common mistakes are easy to fix once you know the rules. Which mistake do you hear the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.